Hello everyone. The working with words. Today I would like to choose the word fridge. I think the fridge is becoming a necessary device in our modern life. It helps to keep your food safe and fresh. Here is my fridge. It is so high with many parts inside. I love this model very much because it has a smart design and it is a product of Japan, a country I love very much. Now let me show you my fridge and then you will understand why I said it is smart. Here is the cooling part for cooling the food. It's on the top of the fridge. Oh, so cool. I love it. And you can see that there are many layers inside and you can store a lot of storage a lot of food. There is a temperature controlling tab on the door, and this is the freezer. It's at the bottom for freezing the fruit like meat or fish. This structure is very suitable for me because I usually use the cooling more than the freezer. And also, you can see that under the cooling, there are the ice making and a small freezer. You can put something like ice cream or butter inside this part in order to separate with the frozen meat or fish in the large freezer below. Yeah, it's so smart, right? Yeah. Next, this is a very large room for vegetable with 2 layers inside. And it's above the freezer. My smart fridge helps me a lot in keeping the food inside scientifically and tidily. One thing I want to mention for you when using the fridge is keep your fridge clean and tidy. Daily cleaning activities are an important part in maintaining your fridge clean and protect your fruit safer. In the past, I used to make a cleaning schedule and stick it on the door to remind me. But now I do it every weekend. I love tidy up and clean my fridge. How about you? Let's share your opinion with me in the comment. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you next time.